What's up, everyone? Franco with the Devil's in the Detail, and we're gonna try to do a voiceover. See if I remember how to do it. See how it goes. I just got done washing the Bronco. This video was shot back in December 27th, and I just got done washing the entire Bronco, and pretty much making this video to show how the C6 Hydro Lite has failed, mainly on the doors, the rear quarter panels, and the back hatch. I just look at the flatness. A little bit of beating there. Look at that. The standing water. There's no protection there. I was maintaining the Bronco, washing it, various wash methods: shampoo, rinseless wash, foam rinse foam, foam wash, wash foam, just all kinds of different methods, washing it 3 times a month. And this is my highway commuter, and look at the beating that coating has taken. The hood looks great. I'd say a solid 7 out of 10. And the roof, I didn't show any of the roof. I didn't shoot any of that, but the roof looks great too. It's the fenders, the doors, pretty much the entire sides and the back hatch of this Bronco is just, there's no protection. There I'm doing just another shampoo wash, trying out the shower head, and look at the beading on the hood. Nice. I wouldn't say tight beads, but look at that. That's not contamination. I mean, I wash this vehicle 3 times a month. I mean, how the hell can this clear coat be contaminated? I mean, what do I don't park near trees. There's no pollen other than dirt and highway driving, the highway being very abrasive in West Texas. Yeah, I mean, that's what I'm dealing with. What I'm doing is filming this. I'm doing a wash. I'm doing an iron remover. I'm going to do a water spot treatment. Water spot remover treatment, whatever the hell you call it, lactic acid stuff. Doing a whole decon and see if the panels are contaminated, clogged up, so to speak. Right there, I'm just drying it with a microfiber towel. I can tell by the looks of it that's the 80/20 blend from DTLR Supply. I'm Josh V. Going in with the iron remover, I could have done the clay towel iron remover combo, but I just didn't feel like doing it. I just wanted to let the iron remover do its thing, rinse it off, and then go in with a different lubrication for the clay towel. Now that was about a minute in. I spritzed it down with water just to extend the dwell time. And that's the rinse. You can notice, you can see on the ground underneath those panels, there's no purple whatsoever, because this clear coat is not contaminated. There we go. Yep, flat standing water. There we go. Yeah, so I shot this December 27th. I coated this vehicle July 16th. I even have a one of my earlier videos that I did. I filmed the process and posted it. Coating a Bronco, something about Hydro Lite on a Bronco Lite. It's the name of it's got the title. That's what's in the title. Anyways, there's no doubt in my mind that I incorrectly put the coating on. Highway kills. So anyways, where am I going with this? July 16th, I noticed the flat spots happening about 3.5 months in after coating the Bronco. I was like, man, this isn't beating like it should, man. Maybe it is contaminated. So, yeah, I did an iron remover treatment, iron buster, I believe I used. And yeah, about 2 weeks later, did another wash, flat panels like crazy. And yeah, it's just, I mean, there's nothing here to decontaminate. Look at that. Clay treatment with the incredible suds diluted, nice and slickery, if you will. Look at that standing water. Yeah, so in the bucket with the clay towel, I had warm water. It was damn near hot, keep the clay nice and supple. And I did find out that you can clay a vehicle without marring it, and that's one of the main reasons I did this. I pretty much know the coating has failed. I'm just kind of entertaining those who are saying that, well, it's contaminated, you need to do this, do that. I'm like, there's not, okay, whatever. So I'm pretty much doing this to prove to myself that you can clay a vehicle without marring it up. But then again, I really wasn't claying anything off because it's not contaminated. So yeah, just being extra careful with the warm water. Going in with the water spot remover here, nice and rubbing it in. I do give this a 2-minute dwell time, and I think I edited it out, but I did do another little spritz because it was getting dry. And then we're gonna go for the rinse, and you're gonna see hydrophobics are back. Oh my god, look at that. Maybe not super strong, but look at that. No more standing water. Voila, I was proven wrong. Look at that. C6 Hydro Lite is a champ. Let's go ahead and do a little more rinsing. La 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 la. Hydrophobics are back on all the panels. Look at that. Ta-da. See, I mean, that's all you have to do. Sometimes you think a coating has failed, and all you got to do is hit it up with a little decontamination process. Now, sometimes the water spot remover can kind of deceive you. So let's go ahead and just use some incredible suds and wash that off. Let's see if the hydrophobics are back, or if the water spot remover is, doing its optical illusion thing. So we're just gonna nice and wash that panel, and then look at the hydrophobics come back like a champ. Watch this. Oh yeah, oh man, son of a bitch, flat as crazy. There's no protection there. There's nothing to decontaminate, I mean, other than the clear coat. But yeah, I mean, it's unfortunately Texas highway, wind and sand and abrasion. Look at the hood. The hood did great. All the spots down low where the wheels whip up the most dirt and grime, yeah, it just ate the coating off that. Look at that. Ta-da. Look, hydrophobic. Not so hydrophobic. Yeah, dead. But let's do a quick little walk around, because I mean, the car still looks great. I'm just gonna have to figure out what to do going forward, because I am definitely going to coat this again. Yeah, what in the hell is passing by? Is that a helicopter? Ooh, look at that, so pretty. Alright everybody, Franco, devil's in the details. Thanks for watching. Let's do some wax videos. Why not? Y'all want to see some paste wax? Y'all want to see some Glossom wax from Phoenix EOD? Yeah, let's do something fun this summer.